In example 7, we have the limit as x approaches 4 of the rational expression, x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. I've already typed this into my calculator. Take a minute or a few seconds to pause the video and type it into your calculator. To investigate this, using our graphing calculator, we can use a graph or even a table. Let's take a look at the graph of this by hitting Zoom 6. It might not be the best viewing window, but it's at least a good start. As x approaches 4, looks to be maybe the limit is around 2 or so, but let's actually go ahead and zoom in a little bit on that spot of the graph when x is exactly equal to 4, and we'll look a little to the left and a little to the right of that, and that'll help us maybe figure out what that limit will be. Remember, a limit is not what exactly the function is equal to, but what we're approaching or getting close to. But we still want to look close to the point where we have 4 as our x value. If we hit trace here, we can move left and right, and we're looking at a value of a little above 2 now. As we get closer to 4, that value gets closer to 2. And then if we go a little bit to the right and we start to move closer to 4 from the right, it looks like that value is a little lower than 2, but is getting closer to 2. To use your table here, you can hit second window, which is the table set. We want to start the table at 4, and we want to change our delta table to be 0.001 because we're looking at a finite limit here. We want to stay right around 4. If we hit second graph, you can also see that the function actually does have a y value of 2. We really don't care exactly what's happening there, but we can look from the left and the right and see that those values are approaching 2 as well. So we're going to write our answer here. The limit as x approaches 4 of this expression is 2.